Good morning, everybody. I'm in Oxford, Ohio, and this is a college town. Much to see, much to see. So let's check it out. Here they have a city map of all the city services, accommodations, bars, saloons, shopping, and all kinds of restaurants. Gets too much hotter, I'm going to run through all this. This is the center of town. Little places to sit and eat and study. Chipotle's, Rapid Fire Pizza, great place there. Wild Berries, salad and pasta place. Here in the back alley we have the Left Field Tavern, very popular on the weekends. Hard to get in this place. Here's the Hookah Lounge. I wonder if Donald Trump built this building. Small antique shop. Big Pikachu in front of the store. If you're looking for that perfect summer outfit, Jumpers is where you want to be. If you're looking for a grilled sandwich, but you find one here. I bet this place will make a mean pizza. Of course, if you're in the mood for a cookie, get her here. Across the street is the Brick Street. Food, music, fun. Hot brick summer. A lot of bands, a lot of good doings up in here. Down in here is the porch. Remember, music brews, your phone is a buzzer kill. Remember to keep on the porch. Number 4, chill. Too rowdy in Oxford, you'll end up in here. Pretty nice garden right beside this church. Here is the den. Beer, wine, pop. Even get your clothes dry. Seem to be closed right now. There's a big old deli shop. Oh, eat outside. Here's Skipper's Pub. No bagels. Plenty of seating though. Well guys, as beautiful as our town is, that was just a few of the highlighted places here along the main town. But even more beautiful, their campus is pretty impressive too. Probably one of the biggest in Ohio as far as universities and all the amenities they have. So let's go check that out. Pulley Taller, Miami University. Man, this thing is tall. Taylor's Hall. Here's Bachelor Hall. I'm going to assume you need to be eligible to attend here. There's a cottage placed here in 1976. You can pause this if you wish to continue reading. And there's the cottage there, as it originally was. As I roam around the campus grounds, and I can feel some of the smartness penetrating this already data bank of knowledge. So much land, so much smartness. And here is where all the knowledge started. Campus base. Big doings out there by a far. Let's hope you don't try to extract more knowledge from this brain. Behold, the backside of knowledge. Well, guys, here comes the saddest part of the video, the end. For I must find me a bathroom. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe and share, or leave a comment. This was just a few highlights of Oxford and Miami University. Until then, we shall meet again. Thank you.